Nature Valley's Preserve the Parks program has provided 2 crew leaders and support for hundreds of volunteers. These volunteers help the National Parks Conservation Association restore native plants throughout Grand Canyon National Park. Native plants are taken from areas under development and used to revegetate areas disturbed during construction or along roadways that will no longer be in use. By using a matrix of native plants that blend with the surrounding natural area, it will be difficult to notice that an area was ever disturbed. Here, a volunteer removes a patch of native squirrel grass from what will be a new pathway. Newly installed native plants are tender and are vulnerable to deer and elk, so they're caged until they're strong enough to withstand being nibbled on, which can take up to 2 years. For more information on Nature Valley's National Parks Project, visit preservetheparks.com.